Have you ever felt emotionally drained, mentally exhausted, or just unable to focus? What if I told you that there are hidden forces that hurt your mind more than you realize? Stick around, because today we're diving deep into what truly hurts the human mind the most, and how you can protect yourself. The human mind is incredibly powerful, yet it's also fragile. From stress and negativity to unhealthy habits, many things silently harm our mental well-being. But what if you could recognize these threats and take action before they take a toll on you? By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what damages the mind the most, but also learn strategies to keep your mental health strong. Let's get into it. Chronic stress and anxiety. Stress is a normal part of life, but when it becomes chronic, it can physically shrink your brain. Studies show that prolonged stress increases cortisol levels, which damages brain cells and impairs memory and decision-making. How can you fight back? Practice mindfulness, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. Negative self-talk. What we say to ourselves matters more than we think. Constantly doubting yourself or using harsh words internally can rewire your brain for negativity. Instead of saying, "I'm not good enough," try shifting to, "I am improving every day." Small changes in self-talk lead to big changes in mindset. Lack of sleep. Sleep deprivation is one of the biggest threats to your mental health. Without enough rest, your brain struggles to process emotions, store memories, and make sound decisions. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. What's your sleep schedule like? Let me know in the comments. Social isolation and loneliness. Humans are social creatures, and isolation can be as harmful as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Studies link loneliness to depression, anxiety, and even cognitive decline. The fix? Make meaningful connections, whether it's calling a friend, joining a group, or simply engaging in a conversation. Information overload. In today's digital world, we consume more information in a day than people did in a lifetime centuries ago. This overload leads to mental fatigue, decreased focus, and higher stress levels. The solution? Set digital boundaries, take breaks, and be mindful of what you consume. The mind is like a garden. What you feed it determines how it grows. By managing stress, improving self-talk, getting enough sleep, staying socially connected, and controlling information intake, you can protect your mental well-being and keep your mind sharp. Which of these challenges do you struggle with the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on mental wellness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.